World over, majority of companies are operating with a work-from-home model following the COVID-19 pandemic. In such a scenario, contacting employees via Zoom meetings, calls or text messages outside office hours has become a routine affair. However, this new normal has undoubtedly added a whole lot of mental stress, with a number of professionals complaining of burnout and mental exhaustion. Given the situation, Portugal has introduced new labour laws that are being perceived as a game changer for working professionals. According to the new work rule passed by the government of Portugal, companies will face a penalty for contacting their workers outside office hours. In a bid to ensure a healthier work-life balance, the country's parliament approved a law that bans bosses, managers and team leads from contacting their subordinates after work hours. Furthermore, employers are henceforth forbidden from monitoring their employees while they work from home. Portugal's ruling Socialist Party approved the legislation on Friday, November 5th, which ensures professionals working from home are not disturbed or compelled to work beyond office hours. However, a proposal to include the so-called right to disconnect, the legal right to switch off work-related messages and devices outside office hours, was rejected by Portuguese MPs. Under the new labour rules, companies will also have to pay for the expenses incurred by remote work access, which includes the likes of electricity and internet expenses. Employers can write off these costs as a business expense. The new rules are also good news for parents of young children. They now have the right to work from home without having to arrange it in advance with their employers up until their child turns 8 years old. Measures to tackle loneliness are also included in the remote working rules, with companies expected to organize face-to-face meetings at least every 2 months. But the amendments to Portugal's labour laws have limits. They will not be applicable to companies with fewer than 10 employees. Portugal was the first European country to alter its remote working rules as a direct result of the COVID-19 pandemic in January this year. The temporary rules made remote working a mandatory option, with a few exceptions, and obliged employers to provide the necessary tools for getting the job done at home.
If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.